Hey guys, we are continuing to talk about standards 5G3 and 5G4 today. Today we are looking specifically at polygons that have three sides, which are called triangles. Triangles can be classified by their sides and by their angles. On the screen, you can see our digital anchor chart for polygons. They can be classified by sides as scalene, which means that all the sides are different, equilateral, which means that all the sides and angles are the same or equal, just like the name sounds, or isosceles. In isosceles triangles, that means that two sides and two angles are equal. I remember isosceles because I have two eyes, and isosceles have two equal sides and angles. Triangles can be further classified by their angles. So when we classify them by side, it is scalene, equilateral, or isosceles. When we classify them by angles, there are right triangles, acute triangles, and obtuse triangles. So on your chart, you can see there can be a right scalene triangle, which is a triangle with one right angle, which is an angle that equals 90 degrees, and three different side lengths. You can also have an acute scalene triangle. That is a triangle where all three angles are less than 90 degrees and all three sides are different. Or you can have an obtuse scalene triangle, which means that you have one obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degrees, and all three sides are different. Um, in equilateral triangles, you can only have one kind of equilateral triangle. That is an acute equilateral triangle because in an equilateral triangle, you have three equal sides and three equal angles. If you divide 180 degrees, which is the sum of all the interior angles of every triangle, by three, you get 60 degrees. So if all the sides are equal, then all the angles are equal, which means that every angle is going to be equal to 60 degrees, which is less than 90. Therefore, they have, those are acute. So all equilateral triangles are acute equilateral triangles, okay? You can have three types of isosceles triangles. Remember that isosceles means two sides are the same. Acute isosceles triangles have two equal sides and all the angles are acute or less than 90 degrees. You can have obtuse isosceles triangle in which one angle is greater than 90 degrees and two sides are equal. And you can have a right isosceles triangle, which means that two sides are the same and one angle is equal to 90 degrees, which is a right angle. There are some other things to note here that I believe I've said, but I'll say them again. Angles inside a triangle, which are the interior angles of a triangle, all have a sum of 180 degrees. Angles that are less than 90 degrees are acute angles, and acute triangles have three acute angles. Equilateral triangles are all acute. Right triangles have one 90-degree angle, and obtuse triangles have one obtuse or greater than 90-degree angles. Good luck with these guys.